In this video, you will learn how you can white label GPS Gateway software web panel. All those who do not know about white label, I would like to tell you all that GPS Gateway helps to provide you the GPS software which will carry your own brand name. With this, you can link the software to your domain and that web panel will link to your branding logo and your website. You need to have a domain hosting panel to white label the web. If you use Plesk panel, then first you have to log into your Plesk account. In this as an example, I am showing you a Plesk panel login. Here for Plesk login, I am putting the host erasoft.com:8880 in the new browser. Upon clicking, you will see domain written on the left hand side. A new page will open with all the domain lists. You can click on any of the manage hosting option of domain. On the upper side of screen of this page, it is written babataxcorp.com. This is the domain URL. Now you can see DNS written here. You have to click on this. Upon clicking, you will see this screen where you can add the record. In record type, select a record. Now you can write the name that you want to give this, and along with it, you have to mention the IP address so that the domain that you create gets linked to the software through our IP. Here I have mentioned GPS because I want to name it gps.babataxcorp.com. The IP address that I have mentioned here is 13.235.97.140. Click on OK after you are finished with the details. As you can see that the notification on screen that appears after clicking on OK is changes made to DNS records are not saved yet. The changes made are highlighted below. Click Update to apply changes to DNS zone or click Revert to abandon the changes. Now you have to click on Update. Upon clicking on Update, you will see that your screen will show a message that the changes you have made to the DNS records have now been saved. Now we try to access this domain URL from browser. As you can see that domain has been linked to the software, but right now the digital tracking logo is coming here. Let us now work on your company logo and brand name. Here you have to log in your admin account with the login details that you have got from the company. As soon as you click on basic settings here, you will see this form. Here in company name, you have to write the name of the company. In place of logo, you have to upload the logo in PNG format. Do check the logo file format before uploading the logo. Now you have to paste the URL in the column containing the URL. Here you have to take care that you only enter the URL and do not use HTTP, HTTPS or www. As you can see on the screen, I have written gps.babataxcorp.com. As soon as you click on Submit, your web panel is white labeled. Now you see here this logo, name and URL have been completely changed. If you want to know more about the information we shared with you, write in the comment section. If you like our video and want us to bring for you more such videos, then like, share and subscribe to our channel GPS Gateway.